Salam, everybody. So we're going to go over some prefixes, which are parts of a word that can change a word's meaning. We went over the prefix un and re. We're going to learn about a new prefix as well. Okay, so let me play this slide. Now let's review some prefixes we learned about. Re, the prefix re means to do again. So when we see those two letters in the beginning of the word, it usually means again, such as the word reuse. We can reuse our water bottles every day. We use our water bottles again and again, right? So we reuse them. Or rewind. We rewinded our favorite movie to watch again. Sometimes you rewind the movie all over again because you want to watch it because you love it so much. Now, the prefix un means not or to break apart. For example, I am unhappy about not going to school. So if we take the base word happy, that's something good, right? But when we put unhappy, that means sad. That means the opposite. Untie. Can you help me untie my shoelaces? Here's a new prefix. The prefix pre means to do something before it happens. Okay, for example, I preheated my food before eating it. So before eating the food, they preheated it. Pre-wash. My washing machine pre-washes my clothes before adding in a lot of soap. So whenever we put our clothes in the washing machine, sometimes there's a button called pre-wash and it washes the clothes before it actually puts a lot of soap and really, really deep washes it. That's called a pre-wash. Prepare. Let's prepare for our test coming up. So before they take their test, they want to prepare and study for it. And then when they take their test, they'll do well on their test, right? So first you have to prepare for it. So now what you can do is under language arts, there's a link over here. It's called Boom Learning. These are Boom cards. So what you do is you click on the link and you need to use your Google Classroom email and your password so that you can access the assignment. This is going to be fun because the Boom cards are really easier and more fun to use instead of the like Google Slides or Google Docs. We're still going to use those, but I think you would love Boom cards. If you need help accessing your email and your password, please let me know, okay? So it's going to ask you questions about prefixes re, un, and pre. So for example, what is the meaning of the prefix in the circle? The prefix in the circle says re. So re means either to do before, to do again, or to do badly, right? What does re mean? To do again. So you're going to click that answer. Okay, here's another example. You have to fill in the blank. Find the word that best fits the sentence. I'm going to take this toy house apart and rebuild it. That means build it again. Build it? No. Unbuild it? No, because he wants to take it apart or she wants to take it apart and rebuild it, right? So you're going to click rebuild. All right, and that is all for today about prefixes. So let me know if you have any questions.